Today I'm going to show you how I make my chai. I start with some cardamom. I'll do 3, and I just crush it. So 3 cardamom pods. I have a small pot here. Just put them in there. I have some whole cloves here. One, two, three cloves, whole cloves. Half a cinnamon stick. One cup of water. Got to get a spoon. And I just have some loose tea here. And I'll just put a spoon of that in. Then I'm going to put it on the stove and bring that to a boil. I let the tea and spices simmer for about 5 minutes, and then I add milk. You can add almond milk or cashew milk. I've tried both of them, or regular milk. And I let that heat up and come to a boil. When it is heated up and ready, I do have a little bit of brown sugar in the bottom of mine. I like about a half a teaspoon. You can have it with or without sweetener. Oops, shouldn't leave the spoon in there. And then you just strain it. Little stir. I sometimes sprinkle a little cinnamon on top. And enjoy. Oh, that is so good. If you don't have cinnamon sticks, you can use half a teaspoon of cinnamon. If you don't have whole cloves, you can use 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves. Sometimes I add a little ginger too. But I just find it a very nice tasting tea. So that's my recipe for chai. I don't always add sugar, but today I wanted a little sweetness. I hope you try this recipe, and if you like it, leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to be notified of my next video, and follow me. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.